Hollywood district in Northeast Portland. One of our followers, their son's girlfriend, was thrifting, she says, for 15 minutes. Came out, someone broke all of her windows, pooped in the car, and smeared it all over the interior. I mean, you gotta be kidding me. Who do you even call about this?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're having a great and wonderful day. Unfortunately for you, I may make you guys have a disgusting day or a disgusted day. And you know what? I just report the news here, guys. That's all I do. I sit in my chair, do news, and report to you guys what's going on in the world. And unfortunately, this one is a disgusting one. So if you do not like the so-called disgustingness of poop smearing, then by all means, stray away from the video. What we have here is that from Andy Doe, Portland trans activists allegedly destroyed and defecated inside teen girl's car over transphobia claim. Yes, because these people are all completely right in the head, and they're normal. A Portland transgender social media activist with a violent criminal history has been charged for allegedly smashing up a teen girl's car and defecating inside. The suspect allegedly told police the teen was transphobic. Right. On August 27th, a 17-year-old girl was confronted by a stranger after parking in the Hollywood neighborhood for a shopping trip. She walked away and upon returning to her vehicle later, found every window and light was smashed out, the interior smeared all over with feces and urine. She was in tears. Lisa Thawson, the girl's mother, told the Post-Millennial the 2005 Ford Escape was totaled, deemed a biohazard, and hauled off to a tow yard. I just thought what could have happened to my child if that person took the frustration out on her, Thomason said. Fighting back tears, the 45-year-old staffer grew up in Northeast Portland and is shot at the deterioration of the city's public safety. A video of the extent of vandalism was first posted on social media by Portland activist account PDX Real. Vivian Ginger Rand Stefanski, 44, was located by the Portland police nearby and was arrested. The teen identified Stefanski as the stranger who confronted her earlier. The victim's mother tells TPM that the suspect told responding police her daughter was transphobic, though police say this wasn't documented in the police report. Stefanski, previously known as Eric Neil Bowen, was charged with felony first-degree criminal mischief, felony unauthorized use of a vehicle, second-degree criminal mischief, and second-degree disorderly conduct. Shemansky was booked into the police central precinct before being released on the same day on a monitored pretrial release. Yes, because this psychopath should be completely released into the wild. He should be released to the public and society where this is allowed. Yes, yes, please, let's just allow this to happen again to somebody. You know, next time they deem somebody maybe possibly transphobic, which there seems to be no evidence of this being at all, that they may actually severely harm them or kill them in this instance because they really seem like they're mentally stable. So yes, let's just release this lunatic out into the wild. Yes, that seems like a very good idea. A spokesperson from the Portland police told TPM Shemansky had 2 arrest warrants for prior criminal indecence when he was apprehended. I'm going to call it he because I don't know what the hell this thing is. On social media, Shemansky has long documented his gender transition with photos of his estrogen medication and posts about his gender-affirming surgery. He also regularly denounced transphobia, fascism, and racism. Right. If you think of being a woman is all about having a vagina, then see you don't know shit about being a woman. Shemansky wrote to 2020 by filling out and submitting a statement from 2014. Shemansky was legally able to change both name and gender. Shemansky revealed. Here in the state of Oregon, I'm not legally required to have a sex change for my transition to be completed. In another post, Shemansky shared a photo of a guitar belonging to Shemansky, which had the message, F your fascist beauty standards scrawled on it. The Multnomah County Sheriff's Office tells TPM it did not immediately have the information about whether Shemansky was jailed with men or women at the time of the booking. Yes, because I'm pretty sure this person being put with women is going to be a very, very safe individual. I'm pretty sure none of those women are going to be in a severe danger by having this person going to a women's prison, which will probably happen because it's Portland. A convicted felon, Szymanski has a long and violent criminal history. Szymanski appears to be a vagrant. Court documents show that my apologies, show that Szymanski was ordered by judges to have mental health evaluations during criminal court proceedings. In September 2015, Szymanski was convicted of felony assault on a public safety officer. Szymanski was sentenced to only probation, which was quickly violated. In March 2019, Szymanski was convicted of felony fourth-degree assault and was sentenced to a year in prison, though it's unclear if this incarceration was concluded with an early release. Probably was an early release, knowing the Portland. In addition to Szymanski's convictions, Szymanski was often arrested and charged, but the cases were not prosecuted. Of course they weren't. In June this year, Multnomah County District Attorney Mike Schmidt's office dropped second-degree criminal mischief and second-degree disorderly conduct charge against Szymanski on the same day. Szymanski was arrested. Vivian Ginger Rain Szymanski posted his legal name and gender change form on his social media. As Eric Neal Brown, Szymanski also has an extensive criminal record in Multnomah County. In October 2012, Szymanski was charged with felony rioting and other crimes, but that case was dismissed by a judge. Of course it was. Why are we surprised by this? There's no accountability for people that are breaking the law. It's putting our community and the home we grew up in jeopardy. Blossom says he says the 3 days before the most recent attack on her daughter's car, the family had to replace a window on the same vehicle following a smash and grab theft. We should be able to feel safe in the city we grew up in. Szymanski's grand jury indictment is scheduled on September 19th. The teen victim and her family intend to push forward with charges, as they should. But by all means, this person should not be allowed at all in society. They're obviously a danger to everybody that's around them. This person obviously seems like he is a bloody lunatic, and this is not really helping too much with the trans community in general, because if you're having people going out here like this, causing immense amount of crime, actual assault, and all this great stuff, this ends up happening. And this person, I'm almost certain if this person met this girl in real life, he probably would have sexually assaulted her, if not probably outright killed them. Because this person is unstable, mentally unstable. And this is what we're saying with the trans people in general. I don't think they're actually mentally stable. I think they're really mentally unstable, and we need to get the help that they actually deserve. And the fact that this person is even allowed to roam the streets right now is actually horrifying and terrifying. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Like, subscribe, share. As always, take care.